Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Shopify e-commerce tracking with Google Analytics 4 using Google Tag Manager. To get started with Shopify e-commerce tracking, we will need a Google Tag Manager account and Google Analytics 4. Additionally, we will need to set up a Shopify data layer. I have shown in this video how to get Shopify data layer and how to set up Shopify data layer. Follow this video, and in this video I will be showing how to set up and collect data using the data layer. It's essential for e-commerce tracking, and without it we cannot be effectively track on our online store's performance. So let's dive in and get started without any further delay. By the end of this video you will have a solid understanding of how to track your Shopify e-commerce store using Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics 4. So let's start. First we need to go to tagmanager.google.com and create an account. Type your company name, select your country and give your any name. Again, you can put your company name or website name. Select web and create. Here is my Google Tag Manager container. Now go to analytics.google.com and again put your company name, business name, and go down. You can select this. Google, it will suggest you how you can improve your business. And next, and again type your website name, choose your country and choose your currency, and next, and you can also select the survey. You can use this. Google, it will help you, and you can mark your business recommended and just click. Our Google Analytics 4 container is created, done. Now go to Google Tag Manager. Now you have to need to connect Google Tag Manager to in your Shopify store. I have already connected. I have shown how you can connect the Google Tag Manager on your store using data layer. When we are use the set up the data layer on our store, when this need to set up Google Tag Manager container ID. Now I'm going to preview mode and I'm showing you my data layer, it's working or not. Here is my store, here is my 2 demo product, and I am open a single product. And if I go to the tag assistant preview mode, as you can see, here is the view item is fired. This is our event name. Our event is view item. When someone view any product, our event is it will be fired. And if I add to cart and view my cart, and as you can see, our data is perfectly working. Here is my add to cart, and here is my data layer code. We can track easily our product. Here is my data layer code, and this is our view cart data layer information. Now we will see how we do e-commerce tracking. Before e-commerce tracking, we need to know about the event. Now we will discuss e-commerce events. And if I go to Google and search the GA4 e-commerce event list, and if I go to the recommended event, you will see the for all properties event. Here is the all events. And if I go to for online events, we have need to some events I've already listed on here. GA4 recommended event for Shopify e-commerce store. We need view item, add to cart, view cart, remove from cart, begin checkout, and parcel. This event is enough for our e-commerce store tracking. Now go to Google Tag Manager. I am closing this and go to trigger and copy the event. You have to find out what is your trigger. My website trigger list is here. I have already listed down, and this is a trigger for view item, go to tag manager, new, and select the custom event and paste the trigger. Set the name view item. What is trigger? If I again go to preview, again go to connect. If I visit any product and if I go to preview option, and you can see here is DL view item is our event name. When someone view the product, DL view item event is fired on our from backend with data layer. Here is our event name is view item. If I add to cart any product, and you will see here is add to cart DL add to cart. Our event name is I have already listed. It's depend on you which data layer you are using. My data layer event name this DL add to cart view cart. Okay, it's depend on your data layer. So I am using my data layer. For the reason I am using this event name. I can go to add to cart and then go to select the custom event, paste, add to cart, and copy the view cart. And I'll remove from cart again. And here is the button click. Okay, before we put deal purchase. And here is our another trigger is checkout page. And another our event is begin checkout. And Shopify has 3 plans. If I go to Shopify plans, here is Shopify 3 plans. I am going to shopify.com/pricing. And you can see here is basic plan, Shopify advanced. And basic plans, and I think the Shopify plan is not supported checkout data layer. Here is the mm, not supported. If I go to the checkout, you can see our Google Tag Manager is not working because the reason is Shopify basic plan is not allowed to track begin checkout page, and you have already advanced plan. You can easily track the checkout page. So I have basic plan now. I have an alternative solution. Now we have need to create a trigger all elements and keep the all elements and the set. And I will go to preview. I will trigger this using button click. If I go to view product, add to cart. If I select the checkout, you can see here is the click is fired. If I go to variables, we can see we have found a click classes button, primary, fully. This is our class. We can track checkout these classes, and you can see also you can track using checkout text. Okay, this inbuilt variable, it will not show on your Google Tag Manager. You need to go to variables and go to configure, and you need to mark the click class, click id, click target, click url text. Okay, that you will see here is the variables. So I'm just copying this click class and I can go to triggers, go to all elements, some clicks, click class equals test your class. Done. Our trigger created is done. Now we have need to create a variables. I have already listed our variables. Here is name and value. Here is name and value. And this is the variables is recommended from Google Analytics 4. If I go to again GA4 recommended events list, if I open the view item, and as you can see, here is the parameters is recommended, is currency, is required, value required, and item is required. We have need to create these three variables. Okay, I go to that I have already listed on view item is currency, value items is recommended, that together same. View card are same, but view card is need to value total value, and all event need to item array. Okay. What is item array? If I go to view item, data lab, if I go to the product, this is our item array. We have already listed it. And this is our purchase recommended, currency, value total, items, transaction ID, coupon, shipping. If you have text you can use. And I am creating variables. Go to data layer. Here is the data layer. Sorry, name items. Copy the commerce product. Just copy and paste item price. I can go to data layer. I can go to view by total. Here is the cart total. Here is the currency. We need to mask currency. I will go to data lab, currency. Just copy and paste. Tax, shipping. Sorry. This is a discount amount. And this is our parcel purchase. Our variables created is done. Now we have need to go to text section. Go to tag new, tag configure, select the GA4 configuration, and go to your Google Analytics account. Go to data streams. And you have need to create a streams. I have already created. Just go to select the web at stream, yes, and paste your website URL, website name. Just create. You will see the is copy the measurement ID in the paste, and trigger is all pages. Just you can name it GA4 configure. Also, you can use GA4 configure all pages. Again, go to new, take configure, select the GA4 event, select the GA4 configure all pages. Here is the configure all pages. I need to event name. Event name is here, view item. Go to event parameters 1, 2, 3. Need to view item currency, value, and items. This is a currency we have already created here. Is the currency. Here is the currency and value. Just type value using first bracket or second bracket, I don't know, and items, and select trigger. We have already created before trigger. This is our view item trigger, and here is username GA4 view item. Our view item trigger is done. Oh, sorry, here is I have the mistake. Currency value. Here is view card value. No, don't need view card value. We need item price, single price. Now open the view item and copy, remove. Just type add to cart, event name, add to cart. These are same. You don't need to change that. Just we need to change the event name. Add to cart. Add to cart is done. Remove from cart. Remove from cart are same. Go to view item, copy, use the remove from cart. Use the event name is remove from cart. Just use the remove from cart trigger. Or add to cart event is. Now use the view cart. Again, we can go to view cart, copy, use the view cart. Event name, use the view cart, and here is we have need to replace this. We have value, total value. We have need to view cart value. View cart value means total value. Currency value items. View cart. Use the view cart trigger and save, and begin checkout. Go to add new GA4 event. GA4 event. Sorry. Begin checkout. Trigger is checkout, and we only need event name. The event parameter will not work because the checkout page is not working. We have already used click text, click button text. and our all events is done. Now the final event is purchase. If I open the begin checkout, copy GA4 remove, purchase is the event limit purchase. Sorry, okay, no problem. We need to the purchase is currency, value, items, array, transaction ID, and this is optional. You can use this coupon if you have coupon is if you have your website as coupon, shipping, and this is tax optional. And again, pull the currency, DLV currency value. This is a card value, total value. Okay, there is need to items, transaction ID, coupon, discount coupon, shipping, and tax. And remove the ticker with purchase and save. And if I go to the preview option again, this is our final step. We have now need to check everything are working or not. Okay. And go to analytics and go to debug view. There is the debug. I go to preview option. Our tag is fired Google GA4 configure all pages and GA4 items fired. And you can see here is our event parameter variable is now working. If I select the view item and go to variable, you can see here is our DLV purchase. Oh, you can ignore this. Currency working and view got price working, event name working. Okay. If I go to tax, select the view item. Here is the view item. Here is the value and name value. And if I add to cart and product, and if I go to add to cart and video, and as you can see, here is our tag. Add to cart is fired. If I go to variables, here is our click text add to cart, DLP currency. This is our purchase, and here is our items. Here is our items. And if I go to analytics and go to add to carts, here is the items. And you can see here is the all parameters is now working. Here is the parameters. Here is the parameters, and this is our variables we have already created. And I go to view cart, or items, variables is now working, parameters also working. And you can see here is our currency. And if I can go to and click the checkout, I go to summary and begin checkout is fired. If I put my billing details and use the and change the zip code, continue to shipping, continue payment, and using the card details. Pay now, and our order is confirmed. If I go to analytics, you see the begin checkout tag is fired. This is our purchase. Here is our currency, here is our coupon, here is no coupon. Here is our shipping charge $1. Here is our tax value $61. Everything is perfectly working. Okay. So this was our e-commerce tracking tutorial. Hope you can make your e-commerce website tracking through this tutorial. If you get any error when set up the e-commerce tracking, you can post our Facebook group community. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.